Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The order of the Apex Court in the clarification application makes it clear that if there is a provision in relevant rules governing the relationship of employee and employer and where certain acts are treated as misconduct or if any person is alleged to be leading an immoral life, declaration of section 497 IPC as unconstitutional has no offense remaining on statute of adultery. The same would not preclude the employer to take disciplinary action against a government servant if charge is leveled against him of improper or unbecoming conduct. Full stop. This court also finds that certain acts may not be a criminal, however, there are civil wrong. Full stop. This court finds that allegation against a person of leading adulterous life may not result into initiation of any criminal proceedings. However, if the same act is against the conduct rules, the right of employer to initiate disciplinary proceedings cannot be taken away. Full stop. Stanza. Learned counsel for the petitioner has placed reliance on a judgment passed by coordinate bench of this court. Full stop. This court has carefully gone through the said judgment and finds that the coordinate bench has made certain observations in respect of allegation leveled against a government servant of leading adulterous life or having any illicit relation. Full stop. The coordinate bench has made observations by replacing Indian mythology and even giving example of god and goddess. Full stop. The coordinate bench has also quoted certain customs prevalent in tribal areas and polygamy to be common in certain parts of the world. Full stop. This court further finds that the coordinate bench has also discussed the right of privacy and the same was looked into from an individual point of view and also from point of view of society. Full stop. Stanza. The concept of adultery has been interpreted by giving liberty to the individual to have relationship either with male or female, with a married woman or unmarried man. Full stop. This court finds that the said observations of the learned single judge are absolutely out of context and bereft of any reasoning and further not supported by any legal jurisprudence. Full stop. This court finds that in wake of statutory provisions governing the prescribed conduct rules prohibiting a government servant to lead an immoral life cannot be permitted to be violated by referring to Indian mythology. Full stop. The law is codified and rule making authority if has prescribed certain conduct rules to be followed by a government servant, the same cannot be tested on the anvil of customs prevailing in other countries or some out of context reference to the Indian mythology. Full stop. The submission of counsel for the petitioner that charges leveled against the petitioner were vague. Suffice it to say by this court that a bare perusal of charge sheet reveals that the petitioner was specifically charged with an allegation that he was married with one Meena and out of their wedlock son and daughter were born. Full stop. The petitioner was alleged to be living from the last 4 years with a lady who is constable in CRPF Jodhpur. Full stop. The petitioner had illicit relation with the lady who was already married and the petitioner was staying as husband and wife with her. Full stop.